আর আপনি এখান থেকে করতেছেন
জি
আচ্ছা দেখেন প্লিজ হ্যাভ এ লুক I think I have explained this one okay I have explained this one okay so what I need is just to talk about this one okay this one is called oscilloscope oscilloscope its job is just to show you you know do you see how this current look like have you ever seen it so how we can see how that current is looking like we have measured the current but we can feel the current if you touch the electric like cable or sort of thing live wire you will understand what the current is some of you have been so far experienced so but we haven't seen it okay we have seen the application of current but practically we never see it so you can see this wave shape of the current how does it look like okay again so input signal is AC so we will see how the AC in this oscilloscope and output signal is DC so we will see the output here whether it is exactly like this or not okay for half wave distribution it will be like this okay listen so have a look first we need what are the components we need this transformer this 220 volt AC supply so this one is the 220 volt AC supply okay if you have any like doubt you can touch it and check and then this one is a transformer okay transformer is here inside this there is a transformer okay and then this one is the diode so I have talked about the diode in the last experiment so this black portion is the p type and the gray portion is n type okay and then you don't need to move just keep it and the resistor I mean this one where is the resistor we had it okay this one is the resistor okay so first we will see the input signal how it looks like okay let's see input okay this one is the oscilloscope proof so the signal this is the mouth of the oscilloscope it will feed the signal using this okay and this one is you can see the result output display so it will display its output here so this one is the baselet this one we call the baselet because it is with the base and this one is the bypassing led it is bypassing okay so always for the AC we will connect the AC has got two port one is the phase another is neutral you know this one is the phase and this one is the neutral phase neutral okay this is unnecessary so always AC has got two components phase and neutral phase has got high potential and neutral has got zero potential so there is a potential difference that's what we call voltage so that is how AC is measured so for high potential I mean phase we will connect this one and for zero I mean zero potential we will connect this one okay so let's have a look on the AC input how AC input is looking like so we have drawn AC input is should look like this so let's see whether it is looking exactly like this or not so connect this is only the phase so phase will be connected where this one and ground there is another terminal which we will call ground this one this is zero okay neutral so connect it here and let's see how the AC is looking like how is it not looking like exactly what we have drawn here
Yes, sir.
are you clear now
Yes,
so this is how this AC signal is looking like it is why it is called AC alternating current AC that means alternating A for alternating and C for current so alternating current is like it is alternating its direction here again here positive negative so 50 times a second now the question was frequency what the frequency is I have told the frequency is you know this cycle this is a full cycle so cycle per second so if I increase the frequency this cycle will be increasing per second and if I decrease the frequency the cycle will be decreasing okay so let's say I am decreasing now frequency you see this cycle will be less per second can you see the cycle is getting less
yes sir
the cycle is getting less now I am increasing the frequency
Yes, sir.
the cycle is getting higher okay so that is what the frequency is you can like increase or decrease the number of cycles per second okay so we have seen the input now, okay, so set the input here. There are inputs as well. So we will take 9 volt as per the experiment. So this is now high voltage we have taken. Okay, so this is our input. Huh? Okay, let's make the diagram here. So first we start from the transformer output. So this one is the ground and this one is the 9 volt. So this one is the ground transformer. Ground and this is 9 volt. So can you see ground is 0 and this is the 9 volt. Okay. So this is the 9 volt and this is the ground. So this is the transformer output. Okay. And then, okay, listen. And then after that, from the 9 volt, this is the 9 volt. Huh? Yes. So from the 9 volt, there will be the P of the diode. So this from the 9 volt, this is the 9 volt, and from the 9 volt, the P of a diode. So I am setting the diode here. I am placing the diode here. So diode is placed here. This is the diode. Okay. So from the 9 volt, the P of the diode. This is the P. The black portion is P. So I am connecting the. Okay. So this 9 volt is connected to the P of a diode. So up to this we have come. So the N of the diode is connected to the resistor. So where is the resistor? This one. So okay, connect the resistor here. Okay, if I connect this resistor here, listen, in the same column. So then ultimately this N is connected to this resistor. Okay, then the other side of the resistor, this one. Okay, the other side of the resistor which will be connected to where? See? The other side of the resistor is connected to the 0. Huh? So where is our 0? Here. Circuit is done. Okay. So where from we will take the output? From these 2 terminals of the resistor. So from the 2 terminals of the resistor is which 2? Where are the 2 terminals of the resistor? One is this one, another is this one. Okay. So this one is one terminal of the resistor, and this one is another terminal of the resistor. So from this portion we will take output. Huh? Okay. So this is the output oscilloscope probe. So this one is the phase, and this one is the neutral. So this one will be the base because this one is connected to the base portion. Yes. So this one is the base, and this one will be the ground, neutral. Can you see the half wave rectification is there? Huh? So do you see a shape like this is there? Yes. At the output, can you see the negative portion is absent? Only the positive portion is there. Okay, I am showing you all. This is the output, and this is the input. Okay. So the negative portion is absent. Huh? Is it clear to you? Yes, sir. Okay. So I think this is the experiment. Any doubt? So you can. So simply we have connected this phase, the P of a diode, and then the N of the diode, which is connected to the resistor. And after that, this is I am telling about the experiment procedure. Some student came to me how I will write the experiment procedure. Okay, you will see. You will write like this. First, we will just connect the phase of the AC, the secondary of the transformer to the P type of the diode. And then after that, the N type of the diode, we will connect the N type of the diode to the resistance. Okay, resistor. And the other terminal of the resistor will connect to the ground. Okay, and we will take, then we will connect the oscilloscope probe to the across the resistor and observe the output signal. Okay. And first of all, you will see that we will connect the secondary of the transformer to the to one of the oscilloscope, and we will observe the input signal. Okay. And measurements. Listen, measurements. Write down frequency. Input. For input. Write it down for input. For input signal. Okay. Now we will just. You don't need to capture it because this is just values. Some values. Main idea is given, so you can stop it now. You can stop it right now because I am giving some values right now. Okay, let's see. For input, what is seen in the oscilloscope? peak to peak value, listen, if you think like one এই 1 গজ সমান সমান 5 ভোল্ট যদি ধরেন, ঠিক আছে, তাহলে কত ভোল্ট আছে? এটা হচ্ছে 5 আর এটা এর থেকে একটু বেশি, অ্যারাউন্ড 10 ভোল্ট, ঠিক আছে, 9 ভোল্ট আছে, এটা পুরো ফুল অন গড় নাই। তাহলে এখানে আমরা 9 ভোল্ট দিছিলাম না, তাহলে 1 গড় সমান সমান 5 ভোল্ট এই লেখা আছে। সো আমরা এপাশে আমরা লিখতে পারি পিক টু পিক হচ্ছে দেখেন 1 গড় 2 গড় 3 গড় 4 গড় 20 ভোল্ট। পিক টু পিক হচ্ছে 20 ভোল্ট। রাইট ডাউন পিক টু পিক এরকম রাখি ইনপুট, হ্যাঁ, পি পিক টু পিক, ঠিক আছে, অথবা এরকম লেখা যায় পি পিক টু পিক ভোল্টেজ কত 20। ওকে, এন্ড দেন আউটপুটে পিক টু পিক কত হবে দেখেন তো। আউটপুটে হচ্ছে পিক টু পিক 5 ভোল্ট হবে, কারণ হচ্ছে এই পিক টু পিক বলতে কিভাবে দেখেন, এই একটা পিক আর একটা পিক, কারণ আমরা 9 ভোল্ট দিছি না, তো ওখানে ধরেন 10 ভোল্ট দিয়ে আসছে, 10 ভোল্ট আর এই 10 ভোল্ট, তাহলে এই 10 আর এই 10 কত হয়? এটা হচ্ছে -20, এই জন্য পিক টু পিক 20 হচ্ছে ইনপুটে, কারণ এটা দুইটা সিগন্যাল ইনপুট ছিল। আউটপুটে কিন্তু এইটা নেই, ঠিক আছে, আউটপুটে শুধু এতটুকু থেকে এতটুকু আছে, তার মানে আউটপুটে 9 ভোল্ট পিক টু পিক পাবো, ঠিক আছে। এনি কোশ্চেন? Any question you have? So I think you have understood, huh?